Moa's channel. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to stake your MATIC tokens or the Polygon tokens. Why did I show this? Because I see a lot of potential in tokens, especially with the layer 2 development that they got going on. And it's a great way to gain passive income. So without further ado, what do you need? You need obviously MATIC tokens on the Polygon, on the Ethereum network. You can buy them from exchanges like Coinbase or Binance or whatever. But you gotta make sure that it is on Ethereum. You could also bridge it over, but then you would have bridging costs. So, firstly, we are going to the Polygon wallet and make sure that you put the right side like this. This is the right side, wallet.polygon.technology. Then you want to connect your wallet. I'm using MetaMask, but you can use any wallet you prefer. Okay, so we have various options here. We want to go to Polygon staking. Alright. So let's have a look. You can become your own validator, but that will be kind of expensive. We are looking at someone who doesn't take too much commission, like this one takes 10%, but it might have a lot of returns, we don't know. But like, I think I'm going for like a matrix stake or maybe even MATIC fence. Yeah, I'm going for MATIC fence. So I'm gonna click on become a delegator, and then I have 150 MATIC in my wallet, so I'm going to put those into the fee isn't actually that bad. Let's see if we can change it, maybe even lower. I click OK. I can live with that. Now let's wait for the transaction. You can view it on either scan between the 3 and 10 minutes. So I will pause the vid for a moment and come back when it's done. Okay, as we can see, it got approved. So now we're gonna delegate. We're gonna need to pay another fee. Hopefully it's not too much. Oh. Yeah, it's a bit higher than the first one, but yeah, it's for the purpose of the video. What did I pay? I'm paying $5.3 for the last one, so that wasn't too bad. Let's hope this one will be reasonable as well. So like I said earlier, I think MATIC has already confirmed. So that's basically it. Now I'm a delegator, and I'm staking. Let's refresh this page. How much commission did I pay? 24 bucks. Okay, I paid total 30 bucks. That's not too bad. The website is running really slow. Okay, as we can see here, I'm staking 115 MATIC, and yeah, let's see how much we'll earn. I will come back in a month with another video, and we'll see how much MATIC I will have earned on this. But for now, thank you for watching, and if you made it in the end of the video, I have a surprise for you. I'm giving away 5 Crypto buffs NFTs to random people that comment to this video. Make sure you also follow, subscribe, and like the video, and maybe you win an NFT. I will announce in the next video as well. But for now, thank you for watching, and until later.